back to another video. I am excited for this video. I am still in Russia. I'm really enjoying my time here. 3 days ago was my birthday. I always celebrate my birthday on 29th September. So we couldn't celebrate it. Actually, I had a few little drinks with my husband, but he wasn't feeling so well. So we had to push it. We had to extend it up to Sunday. Today is 2nd of October. It is Sunday. So we are celebrating it in Russia. This time I'm having my birthday in Russia. So we decided to go for some dinner, eat some nice food. It's currently 4:30. We are supposed to leave in 15 minutes. So we are just waiting for our cab to come. Then after we leave, I don't really know which restaurant we are actually going to, but it is in Moscow City. So I'm really excited. This is the outfit of the day, guys. Putting on this sweater, cute. I just bought it. Have forgotten the store where I bought it, but it's really cute and nice. I think this is the most expensive sweater I have in my closet so far. So yeah, I'm pairing it with these brown leggings plus these boots because it is so cold outside. As you can see, there's a little sun, but it's cold, guys. See you guys at the restaurant.
Happy birthday!
Third time.
Tak, dawajcie się.
Azad, yay!
Birthday!
update. We are back at home. Oh my god, let me leave the bathroom because there is some echo here. So let me talk from at least in the bedroom. So we are back at home. It rained on us, you guys. Can't believe I'm all wet. I'm feeling so cold. I don't know if you can see my hair. My hair is all wet. You guys, we really ate nice food at the restaurant. The restaurant was so nice. It was so cute. It had a vintage look, as you have seen in the last clip of the video. The food was really so amazing. It was so tasty and yummy. So yeah, so we left the restaurant at around 9 p.m. and we were supposed to go to a club for some few drinks and of course dancing, but we couldn't make it. Reason being, okay, let me tell you the story. We left the restaurant at around 9, as I said before. So we wanted to use that 1 hour to until 10 because we had decided to go to the club at 10. So we decided to use that 1 hour to go use electric bikes, you know, those electric scooters which can take you around the city. So we went on the bikes. As we are on the bikes, 30 minutes on the bikes, it started raining, you guys. It rained on us, but we really had fun. We drove those electric scooters in the rain, but it was so fun and I was almost going to fall. Yeah, so it was my first time using the electric scooter. I don't know if they recorded me a video. I will ask one of the person we were with, so that I'll ask her if she has some video of me. If she has it, I'll insert it right there. But it rained, so we couldn't make it to the club. We were feeling so cold and all wet. We decided to come home. Yeah, but I have enjoyed my day. I have enjoyed my birthday dinner. Everything was okay, and yeah. So guys, allow me in this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and please turn on your post notification so that you don't miss any new uploads. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. I am still enjoying Moscow. I'm still enjoying Russia. More videos of Russia are coming your way, so stay tuned.
Я говорю, ехать надо осторожно.